CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Prestone tensong hagasngi palai jong khat kendai tarik ubnai jemang arazar arhuar ula penpainya kela yu nongelam jong All India Trinamool Congress dakabaong ba udai ban ai ki Kyrteng jong kita ki MLA ke National People's Party ki banam Ïakhun syo nak tiket jong ke parti ha ki election sye ke yeng dor bar thau ain ka ban salong ha usnam arazar arfulai Hakajingnya keren mat kilat pathai kubor ba Prestone ulaong Punjab je ke election ka syong ya kerukom trekam jong ki MLA ha ki constituency bat katahi kan penlong ya upat ba kumno ban rai andala dai kasngi tap vote.
I would like to request through you the leader of opposition to furnish me the names of those people who is not going to contest from NDP. Secondly, to kindly furnish me the name of those MLAs who are not willing to contest or to remain with the NPP. See, I am not a person who can, foretell the winnability of each candidate, be it a sitting MLA or be it a fresh candidate. So it is up to the public to ultimately, the voters concerned to vote. So I can't say anything whether the sitting MLAs will again come back or not. So therefore election is election. So I differ with him about that. The way he given the prediction as if he knows everything. But let me just tell you, I would like to remind the leader of opposition. That time, I think 2018 election, he claimed himself big. He said that I'm coming back to be chief minister of Meghalaya, but he lost ultimately. As far as election is concerned, let him also think of himself to survive. Okay, because anti-incumbency, it happens everywhere. Be it MLA, be it MLC, that will be there. That we know it. But it depends on how you perform, how you walk in your respective constituency. I think that is more important. You need to understand one thing. The act was already there, I think not less than 25-30 years back. It's only the rules. So, see, the rules is the regulation. So, we made the regulation in place. So, the act was already there. So, you check now. This is not the act that we passed. Not the act. In fact, we bring out the rules and the regulations on the basis of the act. I don't know, Mukul that time, why did he scrap that? He was there as chief minister for 8 years. He should have done it. And now why you realize this? Is it because of your political game? That's what I'm saying. This is not fair. When you are the opposition, you talk so irresponsibly. When you are in the ruling, as if everything is well, everything is fine. But before you talk about yourself first. Ask question yourself.